If I don't remove the egg from this bird's body, it will definitely die. But how did I know that the bird's egg should be removed from its body? There are many signs. The bird's feathers are puffed. Instead of being in the nest, it is sitting on the bottom of the cage. It does not have the power to fly, and it cannot even defend itself by biting. The egg is visible under the abdomen. It means that the egg is definitely stuck in her body. This female bird has laid 5 eggs. And the 6th egg is stuck in her body. This happened a lot to the birds that are kept at home, and the reason for that is the tendency of the birds to reproduce several times every year, and as a result, the calcium in the body decreases. I disinfect my hands to prevent bird infection. I have already helped many birds with this problem and removed the egg from their body. But this case is different. The eggshell is thin and loose, and I am worried that the egg inside the bird will break. So I get help from one of my friends who has experience in bird surgery. To support us and see more videos, please like and subscribe. Luckily, everything went well. The bird should be kept in a warm place. In the first few days, the bird may not be able to fly, so its food should be placed on the cage floor. I keep the female bird separately from her mate, otherwise, the male bird can cause the death of the female bird by copulating too much. I use calcium supplements and foods that strengthen her. After a week, she is completely fine and can fly.